Red Lentil Bottle Gourd Tortilla wrap, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the red lentil recipes and one of the most nutritious of the bottle gourd recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the taco recipes and one of the most delicious of the pancake recipes and one of the most unique of the wheat recipes. Today we are going to make red lentil bottle gourd tortilla wrap. The ingredients are around 100 grams of red lentil, 2 red chillies, 25 grams of garlic, around 150 to 200 grams of bottle gourd, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 12 to 15 shallots. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Put in the shallots, salt the shallots, keep on sauteing. Shallots until they lose their pinkish color. Now put in the garlic, salt, the garlic, the shallots. short chopping. Put in the bottle gourd and the 2 red chillies. Sauce. Salt and mix the bottle gourd red chillies. Saute. Saute mix. Now put in salt taste. Put in a 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder. Mix thoroughly and salt. Now put in the red lentil for masoor dal. Mix. Thoroughly sort and mix. With the rest of the mixture. water. Mix. And let this mixture cook for 15 minutes in the pressure cooker. Go. Put in salt to taste. Mix. Pour in 3/4 cup of water. Mix and knead so as to make a nice dough. Put it in little by little. And knead the flour to make a thick and consistent dough. Thoroughly knead the flour. Now let the dough rest for 15 minutes. After making it into a ball, take the dough ball and make it into smaller balls. Roll it in between the palms so as to make it into smaller balls. And keep it aside. Now dust the surface on which we flatten the dough. Take the small dough ball and flatten it into a round shape using the rolling pin. Turn it around and make it into a circular flat tortilla shape using the rolling pin. Dust the surface, flatten it out. Do this with the other balls, and these can be then fried. The pan, pour in 10 ml of oil. Spread the oil in the pan. Put in the tortillas. Now turn it over. Turn it over from side to side. Turn it over again. some oil on the tortilla. On the sides. Turn it over. And on the other side also. Turn it on. After the tortilla is cooked, put in the red lentil bottle gourd mixture into the center of the tortilla, hold it, turn it over, and take off the pan and onto the plate. Do this with the next tortilla until all the tortillas are nicely made. This is the final. Red lentil bottle gourd tortilla wrap, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetarian recipes and one of the most unique of the taco recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the tortilla recipes and one of the most delicious of the wrapped recipes and one of the most unique of the wheat recipes and one of the most delicious of the pancake recipes and one of the most unique of the bottle gourd recipes and one of the most delicious of the lentil recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.